Hi guys, in this video I'll be showing you how to check your JAMB UTME results 2022. At the point of recording this video, the JAMB UTME result 2022 is not yet out on the JAMB website. Whenever the result is out on the JAMB portal, I'll do well to upload the video on my channel. Alright, so right now the available option to check your JAMB UTME result 2022 is by text message. Sending a text message to JAMB code, and then your result will be sent to you. So this is exactly how to do it. So follow my guides. So what you have to do is to go to your message. The code is 55019 55019, and then you type a message with capital letters, and then you type UTME result, and then you send the message. So when you send the message to 55019, when the message goes, you'll be charged 50 naira for doing this. So you get a message, your request has been received and is being processed. You will get response shortly. The service will cost you 50 naira. So at the point of sending this message, you get a reply with your JAMB scores. So that's exactly how to check your UTME result. For the moment, it's being uploaded on the JAMB portal. Then you can check back on this channel to see the video on how to do that. Hopefully you got some value from this video, and if you did, go ahead and give this video a thumbs up and drop a comment down below. Thank you.